Kuma gutianirio kwa maumirira ma githurano kia upresident ni igoti ikaru, igoti niritanyitwo kurekereria itua ria muthia muthenya wa rucio. Maumirira macio makarekererio riri igoti riu rikoretwo rigiukirirwo ni ateti kumana na gutianirio kwa maumirira ma githurano kia upresident. Muthenya wa oothe kamiti nene ya kurora mirutire ya wira ya igoti JSC nigiire na giikaro kwariria matisa maria makoretwo makigomera jaji ya igoti riri undu umwe na macira maria mabikitwo ni undu wa itua riao. Kumana na giikaro kiu jaji munene David Maraga niugite aria matanaiganira na itua riao mahuthire njira cia kiwatho akiuga o marumirire watho wa bururi gutua itua riao.
The judiciary has not and will never seek to direct the other arms of government about how to perform their functions. In the same vein, we will not allow anybody to dictate to us how to discharge our mandate as given by the people of Kenya under the Constitution. If leaders are tired of having a strong and independent judiciary, they should call a referendum and abolish it altogether. Before that happens, the judiciary will continue to discharge its mandate in accordance with the Constitution and the individual oaths of office.
Hamwe na uguo neugire matiretigira mikana oothe irongoreirio jaji ya igoti riu.
We unreservedly condemn these mindless acts of aggression against the judiciary and reiterate that even if anything happens to the individual judges, staff or their families, those making these inciting statements will be held personally responsible.
Hideni riu Maraga niokie ruhonge rwa borithi akiuga ni maumitwo ugitiri wa kuigana. No kuhitukira ndumiriri kuma kuri ruhonge ru kuri nyumba cia mohoro, ruhonge rwa borithi ni rugite gutiri jaji utahetwo ugitiri wa kuigana undu umwe na kuria maikaraga. Ndumiriri yo ni thiete na mbere kuga ugitiri ni ugacirithitio magoti-ini mothe guku bururi-ini.
Inspector General of Police, who is expected to provide security to all government facilities, has repeatedly ignored calls to act, exposing judicial officers, property and litigants to danger. The judiciary is an arm of government equal to the executive and the legislature.
Na maya magithiaga na mbere muhurani wa ihoto cia muingi okia omtata ni hakite cira ungi igoti-ini wa kuregana na gukirirwo kwa majaji ya Supreme na ho agathitanga mũmbunge wa Nyeri wa Mbũgũngũ Njĩrĩ ni undu wa kuhagika cira ucio.
Riri igoti ria Supreme litanyite kuruta itua ria muthia rigie gutianirio kwa maumirira ma upresident. Jaji munene David Maraga niaugite ati matikuguoyohio makiguoyohio ni merire koretwo ikirutwo ni ateti ya ikiro ngurani ya kumokirira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.